Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, May 21st, 2000 almost said 2006. Jeez. I am living, no, I wish I was living 20 years in the past. Anyway, yeah, not much going out. Yesterday I finished at 87. Today I'm off to 651. Yeah, just not much. Again, it's a lot of it's on me for not listing. I'll share blame with eBay. Yeah, I'll do that. Looks like I got a little sun. I did. I got six of my hydroponic buckets planted yesterday with habanero peppers, jalapeno peppers, red bell peppers, and some San Marzano or whatever tomatoes. And I have two extra buckets. I'm just deciding what to put in those extra buckets. So anyway, it won't be a long show. I will. What was I going to say? My mind completely blanked right there. Wow, what was I going to say? I don't know. I was going to say something. Again, probably something earth shattering, life changing, or mostly not. I do have to run out after this, so I won't make it a long video. I have really no topic today. I did have a topic, but I think I'm going to save it for a day, like on a Monday, although this Monday is a postal holiday, so I probably will still pack just because Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I get hopefully a decent amount of orders, and Monday packing is always, lengthy, and I don't want to push it to Tuesday. So I will probably pack Monday, Memorial Day, and do a video. Maybe I'll talk about that topic. I actually have a topic, and so we'll go from there. Anyway, we got Swedish Air Force postcard. Already picked it. Couple bucks. Still have like a 40% off sale going on, and I'm sending out 40% off offers. So I don't know why I'm not making more sales. Anyway, tonight is the members only Q&A, and my chair. It's getting ready to snap. I hope it happens online. I hope it happens during I'm recording, because I would share that, unless like the metal post. If that. No. Ouch. But yeah, tonight's members only Q&A. I did notice that the questions that people had put in, they disappeared like I thought they would. It was kind of amazing. Last night I copied those into my clipboard, and there's some sailboats, and I was going to send them to an email or put them in a Word document, but I got something sidelining me, sidetracked. I got sidetracked on something, and I didn't do it. And when I checked this morning, all the questions were gone. And so I don't remember why I didn't do it, but it's kind of amazed that I didn't cut and paste anything else. And this morning the questions were still there, so I saved the questions. And like I said, we'll wing it with questions during the live. I have 96 members. I figure 15 to 20% will show up tonight, which is again fine. Make it small. Can dedicate more time to questions you may have. My goal today, it's rainy. It's supposed to be rainy the next several days. My pool is almost crystal clear. I know I have to add salt for the saltwater generator, and I have to bring some of the other chemicals in line. But it's almost done. The buckets are almost done. I didn't plant the other beans and tomatoes yet. I'm way behind. That'll be if we get a break in the weather. And what else? But today, my goal today is to get where I do my packing in this video. I'm going to change out I already told you this. The standing desk is going to my whatnot area. I'm going to get the whatnot area ready to go. So we got some more airplanes. Going out, and here's another one. So again, if anybody has any general questions, you can leave them below. But again, I want the deep dive, really specific answers. I want to leave those for the members. AQ26. I just wish this was a longer video because I thought I think the topic I want to talk about is I think it's a pretty good one. Surprised my mind came up with it. Here's that choo-choo train, and here's the last one, Captain. I've dealt with Captain before. Returned buyer. And I know I can bring up something. So I had an INR, item not received case, and the buyer, it's one of those ones where I checked the feedback and the dude had left some negatives, and if something wasn't received, he called him a scammer. And it's on an airplane card. And I figured that if he says it wasn't received, I'll just send him another airplane card. I keep the labels. And I have, hundreds of extra copies. Well, lo and behold, he opens an INR. And I sent it out April 21st, and he opened this the 18th. So it's right past that 3-week, kind of like the outside of when UPS or USPS should have delivered it. And there is tracking. It was like within 4 days, it says out for delivery, but there's no delivered, and it's eBay standard envelope. So I think I'm protected. I'm pretty sure I'm protected from any type of negative for item not delivered. And I could have, but I didn't want to refund the guy. He was asking for a refund, and I'm like, you know what? Hey, I got extra copies of these. I responded in the case. I have extra copies. I'm going to send you one. And he was like, well, you need to send it UPS. And I'm like, no, you chose free shipping, so I'm going to ship another one out the way the original shipping method. And he wanted it to make sure, because eBay gives you like 4 days to close a case, which, mail won't get to him in 4 days. And he's like, well, is it going to get here by the time the case should be closed? I said, I don't know. Because I think he's a scammer. And there are a decent amount of, I didn't receive it, negatives, scammer. So my question is, today the case closes, or I can have, he can either close it, or I don't know, because right now on mine, when I go into, I still only have the 3 options. I don't have eBay step in yet. So whenever that appears, would you click that and have eBay step in and say, item was out for delivery? And then I did send an extra copy. So would you do that? Would you have eBay step in on this INR and see if they will rule in your favor before the buyer gets a chance to have eBay step in and close the case? Does it matter, since it is out for delivery, which I think in eBay it says It's out of your control. It's a delivery issue. That would eBay decide in my favor? Doesn't matter who files first to close a case. Doesn't matter. I don't know. I don't know if I want to. I might do it just to see what happens. But if you all had done anything similar, like pretty much beating the buyer to the punch, and does it matter if who files first if eBay is going to side in whomever's favor? So I don't know. Like I said, if this guy, I'm waiting for him to like say it, even though there's another one on the way, the tracking shows it's on its way. I wouldn't put, just based on his feedback, which I should have never accepted. Go with your gut. I wouldn't put it past this person to leave a neutral or a negative. Which if hopefully if they do that and they blame slow delivery or non-delivery, that it can be that eBay hopefully would take it out. Anyway, while I was talking, I had this upcoming postcard shows up. Boston, Mass is this weekend, 3-day show. Anybody goes through this, let me know how it is. 3-day show. I would hope that'd be World Expo Boston. Oh, so yeah, let me know if you go to that one. End of the month, Titusville, New Jersey, and then we get into New York. A lot coming up at the beginning of June. And not tonight, next Friday and the following Saturday, we have the Keeper Pass giveaway game. I think it's fun. So everybody, let me know what your thoughts are about that Einar and what would you do. And also, if you're a member and you're going to be coming to the show tonight, you can leave questions here or just save them for the show tonight. So hopefully we'll see you tonight at 8. Everybody else, we'll see you tomorrow, hopefully.